Hey guys, so as many people already know, the Ethereum ETF got approved a few days ago, and I will explain you why I am super bullish on the crypto overall right now. And the first reason is basically why the Ethereum ETF matters. There are many reasons why businesses, corporations, big funds are actually willing to buy the ETF more than the coin itself. And the reasons are basically really simple. The first reason why the big corporations, funds, and basically businesses are not buying Bitcoin or Ethereum is because it is really hard. You basically need to have a decent knowledge about the crypto wallets, self-custody that many people don't know about, and they have no clue how to do any of these things, and they don't know how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Ethereum, what are exchanges, what are decentralized exchanges, and all of that. The ETF basically works as a simple mechanism that has basically laws. There are many compliances that big corporations have to go by. That's why they cannot just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these are pretty new assets that there are not enough regulation around it. That's why there are spot ETFs like Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, because ETFs have a clear regulation and it is easier to buy ETFs for these big funds and big corporations. So basically, all the BlackRocks, Grayscales, all the ETF issuers basically make a percentage of fees every time someone buys the Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF. That's how they make their money. And looking at the fact that Coinbase is the major exchange that basically works as a custody of these Bitcoins that BlackRock or Grayscale is buying, this is one of the biggest reasons why I am bullish on the Base network, Base chains, because the Base is owned and funded by the Coinbase. And if this Base network drops a token, it will be massive for everyone that is farming and hoping and waiting for the airdrop. And one more thing I wanted to show you is this liquidity chart. Here you can basically see there are 4 seasons. Here you can see how it correlates with presidential elections, with the crypto 4-year cycle. And this is why I'm always talking about the 4-year cycle, because it's basically 2 years in a bear market and 2 years in a bull market. And the Q4 of the 2024 will be the new start of the next bull run. And this is one of the most bullish bull runs that I have been in, because this is the first time that huge corporations like BlackRock is bullish on crypto. Here you can see Larry Fink talking about real world assets being tokenized.
I see value in having an Ethereum ETF. As I said, these are just stepping stones towards tokenization. And I really do believe this is where we're going to be going. We have the technology to tokenize today.
This is why I would recommend you to research the RWAs, the real world asset projects. There are many, and I will make a separate video about the best and the most undervalued projects that I would personally invest in. Not a financial advice, but looking again on this liquidity chart, right here you can see the summer will be most likely will be the month where the liquidity is basically going up, really drastically up, similar like in previous cycles. And that's why I'm always telling that summer is the last chance to buy crypto cheap and low, because most of the people, the retail, is basically taking vacations and not checking their laptops, not checking Bitcoin price. But when we get in the late summer, in the fall, that's when the magic will happen. And that's why all these institutions, these funds are already pouring in billions, millions of dollars, as you can see right here, because smart people already know about these cycles and they understand that we are entering a new liquidity cycle, which means liquidity will go throughout the roof. And as you can see in the presidential run right now, Trump is being bullish on crypto. Biden will have no choice to be bullish on crypto as well, because there is a reason they have to get more votes, even if they are lying about the crypto. So this is basically the perfect storm for crypto right now: the liquidity cycle, the presidential run, the 4-year cycle, Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF. And one more thing, I created a Patreon page where I share all the alpha or the airdrop NFT crypto alpha that I see on the internet and research. I'm basically spending all the 24 hours in crypto, The cost is $6 a month for my Patreon, and I will be posting the alpha daily, so we can get as much money in this crypto space as possible. All the links are in my bio, and if you don't want to miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and Age of Alpha, press that like, press that subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on any upcoming NFT, crypto, Age of Alpha. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.